Hi, I'm Melissa with Optimum Condition. You may have seen some of my other videos that I post on here. I wanted to talk to you guys about the Home Fitness Club. This is an idea I came up with after a lot of people have asked me about getting in shape on their own, in their own homes with their own equipment. A lot of times people get started buying equipment only to discover it becomes clothing hangers later. They want to know what to do, like how do they stay on track. So this program offers you weekly accountability calls. You can either do calls, you can do emails, or you can do text if you prefer, but the point is you get accountability. But you start by coming in here first for a baseline fitness assessment so you know exactly where you are. Then you come back quarterly to make sure you're making progress. It's very affordable. It's our entry-level program. It starts at only $27 a month, comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, and there's no contract so you can cancel anytime. So to get started, just click the link below and go ahead and order your free information kit to be delivered to your home. Thank you.